What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the EK. We're sealing the floors and we're going to lay red carpet.
I've ripped out the seats, took out the carpet, and now we're using a wire brush on a drill to sand everything down so that we can lay pour 15 on top of it. Now it's time to grab the shop vac and suck up all the dust and debris before applying our sealant. Now that everything is tidy, we'll be using pour 15 to seal the floors.
Alright guys, so this is the old nasty carpet. If you see this insulation here, this comes with the ACC carpet. I will link that down below. I picked it up at Garage 16, and what we're doing is we're taking some base measurements to basically get this as tight and proper as possible. We're going to have to recreate a lot of these holes, and instead of cutting squares like that, we're going to do a cool trick in this video. This isn't really a DIY, but you guys are gonna have to, or you guys are gonna see us do this and hopefully learn some tips and tricks.
Now we're going to take some base measurements from the old carpet and make some slits. Make sure to use the provided insulation before putting the carpet down. Once we've laid the carpet in, we are going to make adjustments as needed. We are going to trim where we need to and adjust this carpet as much as possible. This isn't a hard process, it's just a tedious process. It's best doing this with two people so you can stretch a carpet and mold it to the OEM floors.
After hours and hours, we finally did it. This took a lot of time because how picky we were doing it. We didn't cut big squares. We drilled little holes and aligning the carpet. As of now, this is the best that we can get. And unfortunately today we didn't get to do the seats. That's going to be a different day, but it'll be part of this video still, so don't worry about it. This looks so freaking good, especially when you step back and you look at the car and you see the red popping. This was my idea with the red carpet here, is have mainly a lot of black accents with red stitching and then pretty much red carpet peeking through. It looks so freaking good. I want to say a big thank you to Mello for helping us out. That is Mello's EF that we'll definitely be working on very soon. You guys are gonna see a whole bunch of stuff on some EF stuff, so I hope you guys are excited about the EF, because I definitely am. Stay tuned to the next clip. It's gonna be a different day. It's gonna be a day for me, seconds for you guys. See you later. What I'm doing to mount up the Recaro side brackets, these are the Sparco seat bases and rails. So to line up this back hole, I had to make this hole a tad bigger. As you guys can see, that's the hole I end up drilling out, and they line up absolutely perfect with the Sparco seat brackets. I don't need to do anything fancy. I don't need to drill the seat brackets. I just have to make this hole a little bigger. So I'm going to test fit it with the hardware and show you guys how it looks. This is the Recaro bolt. This is the Recaro washer, but I picked up a set of Sparco seat base hardware or seat hardware, and I'm using the lock nut. I know there's Loctite or thread lock on this, but I don't want my seats vibrating loose. So what we're gonna do is use the lock nut. They fit perfectly fine. So if you do this, this should work. I end up using the small washers instead. And the way I did it, because I had to fish the nut through the rail, I had to put the bolt straight down. And what I did is I got a magnet, I placed the magnet through the rail and put the bolt down and screwed it in. Then afterwards, it's super tough to get a wrench in there to tighten it, so I used a clip remover. I got to the side of the bolt there and kind of wedged it as I tightened it down, and we are pretty stiff. So I'll do the other side and I'll show you guys what's up. Holy shit, guys. This is an absolute dream to have this seat in this car. I'm just staring at it. I am beyond ecstatic. Nothing's kind of tightened right now. I kind of left everything loose, but this is absolutely insane. I'm just like staring at it. No, I'm not looking at you guys, but like, oh my God. You guys don't understand how long I've worked and how long I've wanted a seat like this, and it's crazy to think I am in a position where I can afford to do this now, and you guys are the absolute best. If it wasn't for you guys, none of this would be possible. I just want to say thank you so much to all you guys for always watching. You guys are the best. Now check it out. This looks so freaking good. This was the vision I had for this. Eventually a Recaro in that passenger seat, but for now the Integra Type R seat looks pretty good there with the red carpet peeking through. Almost said it, our steering wheel is going to be coming very soon. I do have it, we just need to install it, but check it out. And there it is, guys. The interior looks so much better. It is insane. Like, I can't stop looking at it. It looks so freaking good. The before and the after looks absolutely insane. This is part one of restoring the interior of my EK, and I hope you guys are excited and enjoyed this video. This was a little bit different with the voiceovers and everything. If you guys like this style video, let me know down below. It's mixing it up a bit, trying to do, you know, a few new things and stuff. But I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're on route to 30K. It's been a grind, but we are getting there, and this EK is looking amazing. This is like, I swear to God, guys, like, this is my dream seat, and it's insane. Keep working. I had a comment not too long ago asking how I afford these things, and honestly, I've worked 2 jobs for a very long time, and doing YouTube, that's 3 jobs, and merch and all that type of stuff. So if I can do it, any of you guys can. Trust me on that one. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Like, comment, subscribe. Later.